You head to the grocery store, you fill your cart with healthy foods, but what if the most powerful heart-protecting ingredients are still missing from your plate? Stick around because we're about to reveal the scientifically backed foods that can seriously lower your risk of cardiovascular disease. You might just be surprised by what you're not eating. Let's be real, we're all drowning in conflicting health advice. One day a food is a hero, the next it's a villain. This confusion means a lot of us think we're making heart-healthy choices, but we're actually overlooking the things that offer the best protection. The food you eat has a direct line to the major risk factors for heart disease: your blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. But here's the good news. Taking control of your heart health isn't about some bland, miserable diet. It's about abundance. It's about adding delicious, powerful foods to your meals that work together to build you up. This isn't about finding a single magic bullet. It's about building a delicious defense one meal at a time. So let's clear up the confusion and focus on what the science actually says. First up, let's talk about the quiet champions of the produce aisle, leafy greens. I'm looking at you, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These guys are absolute nutritional powerhouses, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of their biggest claims to fame for heart health is vitamin K, which is crucial for protecting your arteries and promoting proper blood clotting. But wait, there's more! Leafy greens are also packed with dietary nitrates. Your body cleverly converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps your blood vessels relax and widen. This can lead to lower blood pressure, less arterial stiffness, and just better performance from the cells lining your blood vessels. It's no surprise that studies have strongly linked eating more leafy greens to a much lower risk of heart disease. Getting them in your diet is easy. Throw a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie, use kale as a salad base instead of plain lettuce, or stir some collard greens into a soup. These small moves are a brilliant way to get a daily dose of one of nature's best heart protectors. Next, we need to chat about fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are overflowing with omega-3 fatty acids, a type of good fat that has been studied like crazy for its incredible heart benefits. A huge job for omega-3s is to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which we know is a key driver of heart disease. These healthy fats have been shown to lower triglycerides. Those are the fats in your blood that can clog up your arteries. They also help lower blood pressure and may even reduce the risk of irregular heartbeats. Research and studies consistently recommends getting at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, which is about 3.5 ounces cooked, or the size of a deck of cards. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. Not a big fish fan? A high-quality fish oil supplement is an option, but getting your nutrients from whole foods is always the best way to go. Try baking salmon with some lemon and herbs, or add canned tuna to a salad for a quick, affordable, and heart-smart protein boost. Let's move on to a food group that has been unfairly demonized by fad diets: whole grains. I'm talking about the real deal: oats, barley, and brown rice. These are incredibly good for your heart. Unlike refined grains, which are stripped of all the good stuff, whole grains give you the complete package of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The star player here is soluble fiber. Think of it like a sponge that soaks up cholesterol in your digestive system and escorts it out of your body. Eating foods like oatmeal and barley regularly can lead to a noticeable drop in that bad LDL cholesterol. Plus, all that fiber helps keep your blood sugar stable and makes you feel full longer, which is a huge win for weight management, another key to a healthy heart. The trick is to make simple swaps. Choose brown rice over white. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal. For a sweet treat that loves your heart right back, you can't beat berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries aren't just delicious, they are jam-packed with antioxidants called polyphenols. These are the compounds that give berries their beautiful colors, and they go to work in your body fighting off the stress and inflammation that contribute to heart disease. Eating berries regularly has been linked to lower blood pressure and other improved risk factors for heart disease. They are also a fantastic source of fiber, which, as we just learned, is great for keeping cholesterol in check. And the best part? It's so easy to enjoy them. Add them to your plain Greek yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just eat a handful for a snack. Don't forget about frozen berries. They're picked at peak ripeness and are just as nutritious as fresh ones, so you can enjoy them all year long. It's time to get friendly with the healthy fats found in nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all rock stars when it comes to heart-healthy nutrients. Walnuts deserve a special shout out because they're rich in plant-based omega-3s that help protect the heart. Almonds are loaded with fiber and other compounds that can help knock down bad LDL cholesterol. This team of healthy fats, fiber, and plant protein works together to support your blood vessels, calm inflammation, and improve your cholesterol numbers. With nuts and seeds, a little goes a long way since they're high in calories. A small handful a day is a perfect amount. Sprinkle them on a salad, stir them into plain Greek yogurt, or just enjoy them as a snack that will actually keep you full. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas, also known as legumes, might be the most underrated heart-healthy foods on the planet. They are filled with that cholesterol-lowering soluble fiber we talked about. They're also a stellar source of plant-based protein, making them a perfect swap for red and processed meats that are often high in saturated fats. On top of that, legumes are rich in minerals like magnesium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and folate, which helps lower levels of an amino acid called homocysteine. When homocysteine gets too high, it's linked to a greater risk of heart disease. Bringing legumes into your life is both simple and budget-friendly. Toss some black beans into a salad, make a hearty lentil soup, or try swapping ground beef for lentils in your pasta sauce. Canned beans are a great shortcut. Just give them a good rinse to wash away any extra sodium. Finally, let's talk about the fats you should be eating. Avocados and extra virgin olive oil are the cornerstones of heart-healthy eating plans like the Mediterranean diet. Avocados are a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats, which are linked to lower cholesterol and a reduced risk of heart disease. They're also loaded with potassium, a mineral that's essential for managing blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium. Extra virgin olive oil is the gold standard here. It's packed with antioxidants that protect your blood vessels that can help lower bad cholesterol without touching the good kind. Enjoy some avocado on your toast or in a salad. Make olive oil your go-to for cooking or for whipping up salad dressings. These heart-healthy fats don't just protect your heart, they make your food taste amazing. If you found this breakdown of heart-healthy foods helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed content to help you live well. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite food from our list? Or is there a new one you're excited to try? Your tips and your story could be the inspiration someone else in this community needs. So, as you can see, building a heart protective diet isn't about deprivation. It's about the powerful and positive act of addition. By consciously bringing more leafy greens, fatty fish, whole grains, berries, nuts, and healthy fats into your life, you're taking real, tangible steps to protect yourself from heart disease. Each one of these foods brings something unique to the table, from lowering cholesterol to fighting inflammation. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's the big picture of your diet that truly counts. Small, consistent changes really do add up. Start by picking just one or two of these food groups to focus on this week. The power to protect your heart is on your plate, and every healthy choice is an investment in your future. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Be sure to check out our next video more on heart health. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.